Look at this lizard, looks like a crocodile. Looks like a mini crocodile that just came out of the Amazon River. Oh my gosh, she's got like a hunchback. Look at this, is crazy. Come out, wherever you are. I think he was eating birdseed. Come out. Not out of the closet. Come out from the tree. Wow, look at how amazing. Looks like a leaf. He's not moving. Move. Come over here. Oh my god, is he mating? Let me see if there's a lizard under him. Oh my god. I think he's mating with a frog. He's mating with a frog, you guys. He's a freaky lizard. Oh, and he's looking at me. Oh my god, look at his throat. It looks gorgeous. His throat is pink and with a white line. I gotta stand up. I'm stuck. Don't move. Oh, I'm trying to keep my hands steady. Are you really mating? I'm gonna get a job on National Geographic if you are. He's really mating. Oh my god, they're really mating. I can't believe I got this on camera. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my god, look at. I'm like all the way bent over, about to fall out. I wonder how close they're gonna let me get. Look at these lizards, they're mating. This is crazy. This is the first time I've ever seen lizards in the jungle mating. Hold on, I'm about to step on my machete. I'm trying not to. OMG. National Geographic, please call me. I can do this. Oh my god, they're not even moving either. Ah, look at how beautiful. Look at the tail, oh my gosh. Sorry guys, did I interrupt something? You gotta get a room. Oh, they're calling me a hypocrite because I don't have a room either. Bye, thanks for watching.